Haven bakes with Grandma. Haven loved spending Saturdays at Grandma's house, but today was extra special. They were going to bake cookies together. "We're making my famous chocolate chip cookies," Grandma said, while tying an apron around Haven. "Ready, Chef?" "Ready," said Haven excitedly as she pulled out the mixing bowl. First, they measured the flour. Grandma poured while Haven held the measuring cup. But when Haven sneezed, poof! A cloud of flour covered them both. "Oops!" Haven giggled. "Now we're the cookies!" "Flour! Power!" Grandma laughed, dusting flour off her glasses. Next, it was time for the eggs. "Be gentle," Grandma said, handing Haven an egg. Crack! Splat! The egg landed on the floor. "It's okay, sweetheart," Grandma said, grabbing a paper towel. "Cooking is messy. Let's try again." "Good thing I'm an expert egg cracker now," Haven said, carefully cracking the next one into the bowl. Finally, they added the chocolate chips. Haven took a big handful and plopped them straight into her mouth. "Haven!" Grandma said, pretending to be shocked. "I'm just taste testing," Haven said with a chocolatey grin. When the cookies were baking, the smell filled the kitchen. "Mmm," Haven said, sniffing the air. "Grandma, your cookies smell like hugs." "That's because we make them with love," Grandma said, giving Haven a big squeeze. When the cookies were ready, Haven took a bite. "These are the best cookies ever," she said. Grandma smiled. "Do you know the secret ingredient?" Haven shook her head. "It's teamwork," Grandma said. "Cooking is more fun when we do it together." Haven grinned. "Then let's make cookies every Saturday." Like and subscribe for more fun stories.
Love you. Bye.